LB-LINK X300 Wi-Fi6 4 grams LTE Router, Installation and Operation. The CPE600EU is a compact, portable 4 grams router featuring AX Wi-Fi6, ideal for home and on-the-go use. Equipped with 2 power supply modes, 1 LAN port, and 1 Nano SIM card slot. Insert the Nano SIM card into the router with the chip facing downward. Then gently press and push the Nano SIM card inward with your fingernail until it clicks into place. Dual power input DC 12V1A and Type-C 5V1A, 2-in-1 design, do not connect both at the same time. When both indicator lights turn on or blink, you can start using it. You can find the SID and Wi-Fi password on the back of the router. Then search for this SID on your phone and connect with the Wi-Fi password. Once connected to this Wi-Fi, you can access the internet and watch videos as normal.